In here, we've got some sort of product from the watch brand Traska. Now, this isn't a brand I've really tried myself before, but they do advertise a hardened steel coating on many of their watches, which is why this has arrived. Yeah, I'll be scratching it in my upcoming watch case scratch test video, and they've sent me something. I think it might just be part of a watch, but whatever it is, I appreciate it nonetheless. Well, this is cute. Whatever's in here is very compact indeed. I think it may just be part of a watch. Let's have a see. Oh, lovely. Ah, so it is just the head of a watch with no strap, which is fair play. I have to say, this watch looks much better than I was expecting. I have seen this brand for a while on the likes of Instagram, but in person, the watch actually looks quite a chunk better than I thought. It certainly looks slightly higher quality, and the case finishing is fairly decent too. I like the dial. I like the indexes. The logo, maybe not quite so much. Like, I'm never a big fan of over complex logos or icons, but the color is pretty nice. I may slap a strap on this and give it somewhat of a test out. I've just had a check on their site. It turns out this is their Freediver in mint green. Let's see what size it is. 40 mil exactly in diameter. Lug to lug of about 48, just shy of that. And then thickness, this is very slim, I must say, 12 mil. That includes the domed or boxed crystal, as you can see. So in reality, it's more like about 10.5, which is really nice and slim. Yeah, really quite impressed with this one. Obviously a minor gripe here, the bezel kind of done a Seiko maybe. You can see that it's just slightly to the right, and then one click forward, and it's slightly to the left. Other than that though, it's pretty nice indeed.